Tonight, the horizon is a silver line. You're the fire for my candlelight. I'ma love you like a valentine. Relax your mind if you and me find an island out of one of my dreams. Would you stay and keep me company till I can sleep and sink into the sea?
I used to like Friday afternoons, heading home, planning weekends all alone with my headphones, half asleep. With the window as a screen, got a city for a scene, and I'm busy flipping channels by the panel as we speed from sunset to lights in the street. I tuck the clouds in with the sky as a sheet. I keep the secrets of the world on shuffle, laid back like jazz with a walking bass line. Hands in my pocket like I'm looking to save time instead of getting reckless and cashing all these checks with it. Put a lot of second chances on my signature, cause the butterflies are never turning into words. My driveway's a highway home, waving at the planet cause where I'm about to go is full of dark matter like you wouldn't understand. But I'ma sing you all a song about it when I land.
Now it's feeling like the end of the week. Now it's feeling like the end of the week. Now it's feeling like the end of the week. Now it's feeling like the end of the week. Now it's feeling like the end of the week. Now it's feeling like the end of the week. Now it's feeling like the end of the week. Now it's feeling like the end of the week.
If life is a first draft, music is the editor. I'm gonna be impossible to get to on my cellular for hours at a time. I'm pretty sure I'm fine, listening to grapevines, looking for my mind. My side is 2020, guess I'm looking behind. And I'm gonna see you later like the work I've been assigned. I wanna sing a song about the reason we're alive. I think I know the answer, but I lost it in a vibe.
It's like summertime, sang by myself, but now it's lullaby. I've got the covers watching sunrise. Make some tea that's extra sweet. Take a sip, put up my feet. Now it's feeling like the end of the week.
Now it's feeling like the end of the week. Now it's feeling like the end of the week. Now it's feeling like the end of the week. Now it's feeling like the end of the week. Now it's feeling like the end of the week. Now it's feeling like the end of the week. Now it's feeling like the end of the week. Now it's feeling like the end of the week.
It's been a minute since I took the time. Days sliding by got me hypnotized. Synesthetic is my image. Philosophize a million of my memories exist in only others' eyes. Between the panels, lifting sandals, take a gander. Which way to the venue? Tangent. My city is a dragon, ain't no hero that could stand it. Thunder in the lungs keep me up at night, stage blind. Faces in the crowd looking for a ley line. Up behind a duck to beat the wave sign. Luckily I'm seamless, and my band be locked into this sequence. More wild, we bright, but don't believe it. Beacon secret deep in the scales where the stakes are real. All I need is a place to sleep, where the sky and the sea finally choose to meet.
Tonight, the horizon is a silver line. You're the fire for my candlelight. I'ma love you like a valentine. Relax your mind if you and me found an island out of one of my dreams. Would you stay and keep me company till I can sleep and sink into the sea?
Thank